We've been talking about climate change.
Climate change.
Climate change, 4.7 million tons of plastic waste each year.
If you're in Bangkok, the chances are you have seen this, and this.
Our school is more than just classroom, it's an environment where people, resources, and nature connect. But like the world outside, our campus faces challenge. Sustainability means using resources wisely. In our cafeteria, much waste could be composted or recycled. Light and air conditioning sometimes stay on in empty rooms, wasting energy. By composting food waste, recycling properly, and reducing energy use, our school could make a big difference. Environmental justice is about fairness. Some classrooms are too hot, others are too cold. Some students eat in shade while others face the sun. Every student deserves equal access to a healthy environment. We must design our campus to be fair for all. The precautionary principle says, act with the care when something may cause harm. Cleaning products or chemical use around school may affect our health and nature. Choosing eco-friendly products and safer methods protect everyone.
Okay. Hi, my name is Ms. Frenchie, and I am helping the students with the Green Bears. Green Bears is a student-led club in our school here at BCISB.
Would you mind explaining what Green Bear does at BCISB?
We are a dedicated environmental awareness group which focus on tackling and improving environmental issues here within BCISB and maybe potentially across Thailand. Our mission is to educate and inspire young generation and encourage them to understand environmental challenges and how we can solve those problems.
Would you mind giving an example of one of these?
In the past, we used to go mangroves planting. So what we do as a Green Bears, we collected money, or we asked students to donate, and if they can go with us to buy those mangroves, and we planted it here in Thailand. And another thing that we do in the past is we collected old clothes from students, and then what we did with that is we donated it to Second Chance, where they, the Second Chance, what they do with the clothes is they made it into something new, like a flashy toys, and some of the clothes, which is like they can use it, they resell it or give it to those students or in the rural area.
I see that there's recycling bins on the third floor, and I believe you are in charge of that. Would you mind explaining that, please?
With those, like we have I think 4 bins in there where we ask the students to put different types of trash that we have here in school, like the bottles, papers, the cardboards, and the other one are plastics. So we want to educate our students on how to recycle those stuff. Like for example, the paper, we use that one like in the art room. We sometimes reuse it as one of our projects, or sometimes we recycle it, like we put it on the table instead of having those plastics or using those plastics. Why don't we use paper instead? And sometimes we encourage our students to make it into a mini book where they can use it as their scrapbooks, where they can draw that. And like for example with the cardboards, what we do with the cardboards, whatever we collected in there, we also use it in our design class, where students, they make their own prototype using that cardboards, which like we teach our students here at BCISB that we don't need to buy stuff to create things. We can create things using recycled stuff that we can see around the school. And also we encourage the students to reduce using plastic bags, so that we want to care our earth.